In this video, we'll see one perfect winter recipe, and that is white hot chocolate. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch, also called as cornflour. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon milk and give this a good mix. The milk should be either cold or at room temperature. Do not use hot or warm milk for this. Set this aside. Now add 2 cups milk to a pan and bring it to a boil. Now add 3/4 cup white chocolate, so approximately after boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, add the white chocolate. Use a whisk if you have it, otherwise you can use spoon. Now I'm adding half teaspoon vanilla extract. You can add essence, or if you do not have essence or extract, you can skip it. But if you have it, please don't skip it. Now after boiling for 5 to 6 minutes, it's time to add the cornflour or cornstarch slurry, and you need to continuously whisk while you add the mixture so that there are no lumps, and then after that cook just for 2 to 3 more minutes and this white chocolate would thicken and would become very smooth like this. Keep the flame between low to medium at this time. So this is done, it has thickened. You can serve it right away in your choice of mugs or glass. You can dust some cocoa powder for garnishing, or you can just sprinkle some grated white chocolate. Give this delicious white hot chocolate recipe a try and enjoy!